Welcome to another episode of LesBcookin808. Today we're going to make chicken katsu. So we have some chicken thighs here. What I like to do is I like to get the back of the knife and like just kind of tenderize it, kind of break it up so it's kind of easier to cook and evenly. You can make chicken katsu, bone katsu, you use pork. So I just like to do that to kind of tenderize it. You could use I guess a meat pounder, but I don't have a meat pounder. So we're gonna do these. I'll show you another one. Just go ahead and tenderize it. Yeah. So we'll do this to all the chicken, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so once you've pounded out your chicken, flattened it, you're gonna go ahead and season it. I like to use salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Again, I like garlic, so that's why we put garlic powder. If you don't like garlic powder, you don't have to put it in, but I think it just gives it really good flavor. So you're just gonna sprinkle both sides of these. Regular table salt, black pepper, okay, to your liking, and some garlic powder. Some all-purpose flour. We have a few eggs that we already had and beaten, and then some panko or Japanese breadcrumbs. So these usually come in a fine or a regular breadcrumb. I usually use the fine. So you're going to take your chicken, you're going to go ahead and just coat it in the flour. Okay. Shake off the excess, make sure everything is coated, shake off the excess. Go ahead and dredge it in your egg wash, and then put it into your panko. So you can use one hand for your wet and the other for your dry. Okay, like that. Just push it in. Okay, and then you're gonna do this for all of your chicken, and then when it's ready to cook, you're gonna put it in a pan. So we heated some oil in a pan. We don't have a deep fryer. It's on 6, well, a little over medium. So you want to make sure that you have enough oil in the pan, so when you put the chicken in, it's about halfway in. And then just be careful when you put oil in, as it heats up it expands, so you don't want to put it where it's going to overflow. So we're going to go ahead and grab the already breaded katsu. And we're just going to lay it in. Always lay it in away from you to not splash the oil. Okay, I'm just going to let it cook. So we're going to cook it till it's about golden brown or so. When in doubt, you can always cut it open to make sure it's cooked. Okay, so the chicken has been cooking for a few minutes, like a few minutes or so. Check it. It's nice golden brown. You can go ahead and flip it. You hear that sizzle again? Remember I told you cooking, you want to utilize all your senses. So when you flip it, that sizzle is intense. And then it's going to quiet down. So we're going to cook it on this side for a few more minutes as well. And take it out and put it on this cooling rack. Okay, so the chicken is golden brown on both sides. We're going to go ahead and transfer it to this cooling rack. What's good about using a cooling rack is that it allows it to rest while it's staying crispy when it's ready to cut. Okay, so we're going to let that rest for a bit. Maybe about a minute, and then on the cooling rack for about a minute and let the oil drain, and we're going to go ahead and just cut it. If you look, it's nicely cooked. Right? Okay, so we're going to cut the other one and place it on a plate. So that's the katsu all cut up. I'll put it on a bed of shredded lettuce, and we're just going to go ahead and use a Katsu sauce and go ahead and drizzle it on it. You can use whatever katsu sauce that you like. We use the bulldog, or if you don't have the bulldog, just kind of make our own. Star Wars lightsaber chopsticks. I'm gonna grab a piece. Oh, hot. That was quite a few more. Okay, so Don's gonna go ahead and taste the katsu. Crunchy.
Oh no, yummy.
Oh no? Mm-hmm.